There's a fire inside, there's a light. From the mountaintop, I will cry. Like a warrior, I will rise, I will rise. Like a wild horse, running free. There's a world out there, calling me. And it's shouting out my name, my name. Today's the day. The time has come. Light up the way, bright as the sun. Time won't wait. Today's the day. Because anything is possible right now. Time won't wait.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome. My name is Stephanie Hadacek, and I'm the founder of This One's for the Gals. We're a nonprofit organization working to help girls with career exploration and workforce development. We focus on construction, energy, manufacturing, and recently added maritime, because when you live next to the third largest port in the world for crude exports, you got to have maritime, right? I also like to say we were built on a foundation of girls can't be what they can't see. Right? And so elevating women that are out there doing things that they never thought they would be doing, that have made their way into places they never dreamt that they would be. We've got to spotlight them and shine a light on them and help girls, just get to know them and get to talk to them, network with them. They have to have something to aspire to. And so sharing the stories of women is one of my favorite things to do. I've met so many awesome, amazing women over these last 3 years. So I'm going to invite Miss Lindsay Mead. Lindsay is our very first success story, and she's just going to share a little bit about, her experience and what it's done, what This One's for the Gals, how it's impacted her life.
My name is Lindsay Mead. I graduated from Sinton High School in 2023, last year. She came and presented the opportunity for us to go to the Women in Industry Conference in Galveston. Well, I spoke to a couple women who were instrument technicians, and their stories just inspired me and very intriguing to me, so I looked into it. If it wasn't for Stephanie just showing up to my cafeteria, I would definitely not be here. Also, I got this.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sam. I met Stephanie a few years ago, actually, at a welding competition while I was a dual credit student at Del Mar College. I can now say that I have graduated Del Mar College and I work full-time as a welder for Supreme Machine. So since meeting Stephanie and being able to participate in the various This One's for the Gals events, honestly, it's given me the confidence to be able to say that I really believe that the trades is where I belong. So thank you, Stephanie, for always inspiring people like me to follow their hearts and chase their dreams.